Hello Sim Tech Buzz, we've got a product in this box. You guess we know what it is now. It's the all new iPhone 17 Pro. So this is what it's going to look like here, and it comes in the box. We got the cosmic orange, and yeah, that's what's coming. We've also got other matching stuff for it as well. Just stay tuned for that. And here it is in its glory. So that's it there, iPhone 17 Pro. Let's pop off the peel tab. There we go. And there we go. There we have it. So in the box, as generous as Apple always is, you get a cable and the SIM removal tool, and that's it. And you get your booklets. No more stickers, no more nothing. That's what you get in the box. And this is it here. So compared it to the 16, I went down to the 16 from 3 years of being on Pros to try out last year. But I think the 16 this year could be, or the new 17 could be one of the best models to buy. But we're here with the Pro today. So that's just what it's going to look like beside that. If you're wondering, you can see you've got this big camera hump up on top. There will be a bit of wobble, but we have cases to fix that. And you can see the back there, the 3 cameras, all that kind of stuff. And that's that there. You've got your keys here on the side, SIM tray here, microphones, and or your speakers, USB-C port there, antenna bands up on top and all the way around this as well. But a closer look at that, as you can see what it looks like. Then on the left side, that's what you've got there, and here up front on the left you've got that, and those keys on the right. So if you look at your old iPhone, you can see pretty much the same kind of layout there. Let's see if there's any juice inside. There is a bit of juice inside. And we'll just let this quickly start up. That's what it looks like. So we do have some cases in from Rinky and other couple of companies as well. So be sure to stay tuned for them. We have lots of cases coming for these new 17 Pro. And I'll just give you the gist what the screen looks like there when you first turn it on. So stay tuned for more. See you in the next video, folks. Thanks for watching.